Have you ever heard of code.org? So today, if you're interested, you can try this. So code.org is a free website which will teach you how to code. Coding is how websites are created, and so you are actually going in the behind the scenes part of a website, and you're going to learn website language. So here is the free hour of code. We have Dance Party, AI for Oceans, Minecraft Hour of Code, and then actually quite a few down here at the bottom as well. They have videos where you can watch and they'll teach you how to code. You can watch tutorials. They even have lessons and things like that for parents. So each of these usually has a recommended age. So if it's too difficult, just go back and find a new one. So generally, this is a pretty exciting one for first graders. So let's go to Minecraft, an hour of code. So you can see they have 4 different games here. Let's start here. The trick with this is they don't read it to you. So in order to complete this, you have to be able to read in order to understand. So either you're reading it, someone's reading it to you, and you will eventually learn how to play it. It's pretty fun. So let's watch the intro video.
Hello, you're just in time. Welcome to the Voyage Aquatic. I'm about to embark on a quest to find hidden underwater treasure, and I'm very glad to have your help. Who knows what we'll encounter along these mysterious waterways? We're meant to meet our first guide somewhere on this dock.
Welcome, adventurers! To complete the Voyage Aquatic, you'll need to solve a series of puzzles using code. Here's how it works. Your screen is split into 3 main parts. On the left, you'll see the Minecraft world. The middle area is your toolbox, where you can find coding commands. And on the large area on the right is your workspace. This is where you can start commands to build your program and control your movements. The instructions for each level are at the top of the page. Click the plus sign to change between long and short instructions. Try dragging blocks from the toolbox into workspace, stacking them, and then click the run button to execute your commands. You might have to try a few times to get it right, and some of the puzzles have more than one solution, so experiment to see what works. If you want to try again, click the reset button to go back where you started. If you need to delete a command, just drag the block from your workspace back into the toolbox. Remember, click run to see what your code looks like in action.
Okay, enough messing around, fellow adventurer. Let's start coding to find some underwater treasure.
Okay, so what I'll do now is there we go, that's what I'm looking for. So now I'm gonna go through at least one of the adventures so we can do that together and you can see what it's all about. So I'd like to be Alex. You need supplies for the voyage ahead. Collect a boat from the chest. All right, so here's the chest. I need to get there. So I need to know, first of all, I need to go just straight forward. And how many blocks do I need to move? 1, 2, 3. So we have move forward 1, move forward 2. Oop, I gotta connect the blocks. And move forward 3. Now let's run it. We did it. We have a boat. Let's see what it tells us to do now. Puzzle 1 completed. Congratulations. Is it also possible to complete it with 3 blocks? You just wrote 3 lines of code. Here's the code that we wrote. So if you were creating a video game, you wouldn't use the little blocks. Instead, you would write move, capital F forward, parentheses, semicolon, enter, move, capital F forward, parentheses, semicolon. Okay. Now we go on to the next part of the adventure. You can see up here that it tells you how far the adventure you've gotten. Boats are much easier than swimming in the open water, I would agree. Head to the edge of the dock to hop on board. So now we need to go to the dock. So I need to move forward 1, then I need to turn this direction, which is right, and I need to move 1, 2, 3. So move forward 1, turn right, and move forward 3. Actually, may only be 2. Let's try 2. Now we'll run it. We did it. Puzzle 2 completed. You wrote 4 lines of code with a total of 7. This is what the code looks like when you add turn right. Okay, so I hope this inspires you. It's not super easy, guys. You may need to wait before this is something you're interested in, which is totally fine. You can go to the IXL or you can do the typing. I just wanted to show you something neat that I've played with before. So just in case you were wondering, this computer language we are currently writing is called JavaScript. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed and keep on mining.